We're docked at the port of Costa Maya, and this is a site you see, I guess, kind of often. We have the Enchanted Princess, our ship, here to the left, the MS Seashore here to the right. In front of us is the Harmony of the Seas, and then next to that is the Grandeur of the Seas. So there's going to be an awful lot of people here today, but just walking through this is pretty neat looking. All right, getting to the actual port itself from the ship is a long walk. They do not have any kind of pedal cabs or little shuttle buses or anything here, so just be prepared for a bit of a hike to finally get there. Okay, we're entering Costa Maya. Kind of feels like you're going into a theme park. So I mentioned that there are 4 ships in port today. It is going to be very crowded here. You got a Costa Maya sign there that's got a long line. Now we're just going to go around and give you an idea where things are. Okay, this is kind of what we're in now, just kind of like a holding area for excursions. If you have a ship excursion, you would come here and go ahead and pick it up. We haven't even gone through the duty-free shop yet to actually get into the port. But they do have a bar out here. See, they have some people in authentic dress. All right, now we're heading in. It's just a little shaded area, but then you get to the duty free. Not the hugest of duty free shops, but a necessity to walk through to get out into the actual port. All right, so it is just going to be extremely crowded today. I'm going to do my best with taping this. And here they have a entertainment area right here at the beginning. There's 4 guys up there on the top of the pole. Okay, continuing on our tour of the Costa Maya port. Massive souvenir shop here. Okay, here's at the drugstore. Seems like every port we've hit has had one of these. Wow, they put a lot of time and effort into building this place, trying to make it authentic. coconut drinks here. Jewelry. Wading in and shallow pool here. Restaurant on both sides and a wrap-around swim-up bar. On a day like this, that's the place to be hanging out. Right across from the pool is the mojito bar. Nice little bar under a thatched hut here. Let's try to walk around this way. Yeah, see they have all kinds of beach lounge chairs here right by the pool. Yeah, they got more shops over here. Souvenirs. Hello, hello. Hi. As you can kind of see, the shops ring the pool area. Here's another bar next to the pool. The bar, they are Bull. We'll continue around the ring here. I'm going to kind of try to stay on the outside a little bit because it's just a body pile in there. Also, it looks like they have a little flamingo habitat here. Alright, at the end of one of the rings of shops here, adjacent to the pool, have a restaurant. So he's got a walk-up bar. I guess that's where you order your food as well. And it looks like it goes to the other side as well of the pool. Under that giant thatched hut. On the back side of the shops, right on the water's edge, is the El Faro Beer and Grill.
Food and drinks?
Not yet. Not yet. It's not just a walk-up bar or anything. This is a full sit-down restaurant here, but you are basically right on the water. Your view of the ships. Alright, this is the back side of one of the rings of shops, and there's more back here. But now we're walking over towards the dolphin encounter.
Started walking
the dolphin encounter. This is where you can get in and go swim with the dolphins. So that is the dolphin encounter. For an extra fee, you can go in there and swim with the dolphins and interact with them. We're going to continue on. You have to take this path around the pool. You see, they put a lot of thought and attention to detail in this place. Here's a closer look at the other side of the La Cantina Latina restaurant that's adjacent to the pool. There's another bar over here. It's a little small walk-up place. You can see they have another set of shops and a thatched hut as you're leaving the pool area. Here's a little kind of a thatched hut shade area if you want to get a break from the sun. Keep moving this direction. Now we're kind of inside the circle. There's oh, that's the fish spa. Another set of shops in here. Small bar, big line. And we're kind of back around to the front area. And you can go see this Mayan temple that they've got built here. Not far after you walk into the actual port, if you go to the left, you see they have this little beach set up here. They have cabanas, individual chairs. Pretty sizable area. They got beach service for drinks. I mean, you're right here on the water. There's the ships in the background. Then they have another smaller pool than the big giant party pool. And this one has a swim up bar as well. But it's a lot more quieter here, a little more private.